Hi and welcome to this how-to video on HPM's 4-outlet master switch powerboard. The 4-outlet master switch powerboard features a master on-off switch, safety overload protection and surge protection. We will now guide you through setting up your device and some basic functionality. Plug in your powerboard to a power point and ensure it is switched on. The main switch allows you to turn off the powerboard, reducing standby energy when the connected appliances are not in use. Should the current from appliances plugged into this powerboard exceed safe levels, the safety overload protection device will cut off the power. To reset, disconnect the appliance causing the overload and press the reset button, which is located on the plug top of the lead. The red LED light indicates that surge protection is in place. Once the light stops glowing, surge protection is no longer available. Our master switch powerboard is perfect for general use and covers the important safety aspects as well as convenience. For more information, including instruction manuals, visit hpm.com.au. Thanks for choosing HPM, a brand of Legrand.